These are used by engineers of steam engines to tune the steam engine. This times the valving with the stroke of the piston to make the engine the most efficient. And it all depends. It depends on load. A heavy load was tuned a little different than a light load. But this was to make steam engines work correctly.
That's quite interesting. And this is our chart of what it should look like.
I think so.
We have the steam line, the expansion line, the release, the exhaust, compression, clean, etc.
Yeah, that's the chart. This would be the chart that was created, and each stroke of the cylinder was a vertical stroke, and then the pressures was the horizontal stroke to that.